Alright, you guys, it's your boy Steven here. And boy, do we got one for you today. Middle of February, me and Matt, my buddy, squad, over at Renegade Hot Rods. We say, like, dude, let's set up a date to bag the Series 62 Cadillac, the 59. I got all the airlift performance stuff, the whole kit. Let's set up a date. Alright, let's do it. I'll tell you what, 8th, 9th of February. Here it is, 7th, Friday. What do you know? We got snow. So I got the old girl out. It's snowing. Typical fashion of us. We're gonna have a good time and get this thing bagged though. But I just had to show you guys. Usually I don't show you guys this bit of the show. But boy, can't make this stuff up, I swear. So you can literally see behind me, there she is right there. And it's indeed snowing. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it sure is. I'll flip it around here so everybody can see the car. There you go, there she is in all her glory. Last time she'll be static until the next video when we start the install. So we're gonna walk through and go through the whole thing, soup to nuts. Airlift Performance. Check them out if you haven't for all your bag and air ride accessories. These guys are putting together killer kits. All right, let's get on the road here. All right, so we just got over here. Renegade Hot Rods, the 59. Drove flawlessly. Just want to get a little walk around beforehand, show everybody. Her last static moments. Oh, it brings a tear to my eye. I'll tell you. No, I'm just joking. All right, let's pull her in. Oh, the fizz. Tastes like a nice black cherry. It's nice. Boy, hit him with the hook shot. So there we go, we got her up in the air now. She's all crusty, but it's okay. Get the wheels off first off. When we do that one, I'll get up close.
See that first one?
It's just freaking yeah.
Pop! Everything there goes.
What? You won't come off that? Just pour it off.
Yeah, well, I cut the shock off. Water! Fire teaser, come on, do it!
Oh! Oh, drink to that! Dude, I got it on camera.
Should I do it again? Yeah. Shock.
What happened?
Shock lift. Shock at the bottom of it off. Turn that fan on over there.
Was the camera on or now?
Tastes like baking soda.
You might want to watch your bag.
Oh my God.
Hit him with the hook shot! Here we have some of the fabricated parts. These are going to be the cups that the actual bags from Airlift Performance are going to sit on. Compressor, another compressor, nice 5-gallon aluminum tank. There's some electronics right there, and then we got some more electronics, level sensors. That's the actual airline, and there you go. So let's get some stuff installed. That's Matty. Tighten the bolt. You ain't see that. You ain't see that. Matt, hit him with it. Hit him with it, Matt. Hit him with it. You know what I'm talking about. Oh! Oh, you ain't got that. You ain't got that in your bags. Dude, this is the kind of music we play when we bolt the bags in. We hit him with grills and dropping. It's the old spring perch. We're gonna knock that off the arm. Still got to do this side over here. Next up. So there we go, new pockets are in. We're gonna weld that on there. Dude, does this say it's lit on the front of your thing? There's that side tacked up. So we basically just put it on there, compressed it down on the pockets. You can see, and that's with no skirt on either. All right, here we go. We got the bags on, wheels back on, skirts back on. Time to put it down for the first time. Go ahead, kid. I think that's it. Ready when you are, Tiger.
I got you, bud. Don't worry. Got me a look good for that.
The moment we've all been waiting for. All right, everybody, it's your boy Steven here. Next morning, after we got it all installed and bagged, I still got to run all of the management and do some more stuff, but the good thing is Renegade Hot Rod's got all the fabrication done, so all the hard stuff is done for now. As you can see, I got her sitting in the background, and we're gonna go home, have a nice little ride, and then I'll have part 2 of the install coming up shortly, finishing up the whole air ride setup and getting it all wrapped up here. As always, it's your boy Steven signing off. If you want to win some free gear, subscribe, like, and comment on our video, and you can win some free gear. I pick everybody randomly on the last video. This is it for this video. It's your boy Steven, gonna drive this baby now. Peace.